Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a jar of jelly beans. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the jar of jelly beans. I'm starting with the jar. This is the cover of the jar. Okay, now I'm using my ruler to draw the jar. Let's connect them together. The jar is done. Now I'm using my black pen to draw an oval on the cover of the jar. Now I'm using my black marker pen again to draw the jelly beans. The jar is full of jelly beans, so I have to draw huge. Let's do it faster. I have drawn a lot of jelly beans. Now I'm using my ruler and my black pen again to draw some lines in the cover of the jar. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my blue pen. Now I'm using my purple pen. Now I'm using my cyan pen. Now I'm using my green pen. Now I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my red pen. And now I'm using my pink pen. Wow, there are a lot of colors. Finally, I'm using my ruler and my black pen again. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.